वीडियो को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए अभी सब्सक्राइब करें सबटाइटल वाला यूट्यूबर को।
A couple of days ago, she had come to our store. There is some money that we have to collect from her.
For what?
She had bought a wedding necklace from us.
Wedding necklace?
Yes.
आपको बेहतर जवाब दे पाऊंगा।
There's surely been some misunderstanding.
But this is the address that she had given us. Take a look. Here's the bill. What?
I've been saying repeatedly Seema could not have committed suicide. It seems to me that the man whom she wanted to marry is the one who murdered her. Why don't you talk to the commissioner and restart the investigation?
No. I think there should not be any inquiry.
If Seema has been murdered, are you going to let her killer escape without punishment?
शराब उत्पादन करने वाले की गलती है, पीने वाले की कोई गलती नहीं है।
The murderer will get his punishment later. But how will we be punished? Have you ever thought of that? It will cause us a lot of embarrassment. Imagine Mr. Madan Chopra's daughter was having a clandestine affair with someone and was going to get married to him without telling anyone. And when this story hits the tabloids, the press, and everybody else will add to it and retell their own version, we will not be able to show our face to the world. Who will get married to you then? Have you thought of that?
नींबू, केला और नारियल तीनों आपस में बात कर रहे थे।
No, Priya. Seema has already died. And let her death be a sorrow which will stay in your heart. We cannot make it a source of embarrassment to us.
No, I won't come up. I get scared.
बहुत दुख होता है।
Come on, Seema, what's there to get afraid? The height is only 6 feet.
No. When I look down from a height, I get dizzy.
What's the matter, Priya? Why have you called me here?
फिर नारियल बोला,
Karan, Seema had not committed suicide.
How can you be so sure? In spite of having seen the suicide note written by her.
Because she had purchased a wedding necklace.
Wedding necklace?
Yes, and one day later she fell off this very building. And the marriage bureau is in this building.
भैया, ये एड्रेस कहाँ है बता सकते हो?
बादशाह की गली में आके उसका पता नहीं पूछते।
It's possible that Seema came here with somebody to get married, and the boy betrayed her and maybe he pushed her over the ledge.
Okay, assuming this boy pushed her over the wall. But the real question is, why does Seema want to marry him?
एड्रेस बता।
Second thing. For registered marriage, you got to apply a month in advance. I've looked at the register. There is no application in the name of Seema Chopra. And the third thing is that we didn't find any wedding necklace from Seema's bag. Now you tell me, did she come here to get married or to commit suicide?
If she had to commit suicide, she could have shot herself. She could have taken poison. But she wouldn't have jumped out of a building. Because she was afraid of heights.
मानू बेटा आगे आओ और इंग्लिश में एक स्टोरी सुनाओ।
If she looked down, she would get dizzy. You know, she couldn't even jump off a diving board which was 6 feet high.
ये देख नहीं सकता था।